Hi everyone, my name is Pankaj Jaswal and today I am going to explain about what is the new in WordPress 5.6. So first of all, if you are not knowing, for WordPress all release there is like 5.5, 5.6. There is one name also, like in Android also like name is there. In same way here also we have, in each version we have name. So if you will see 5.5, it's called Extreme. 5.6 Simon. 5.7 Speranza. Okay, so something in 5.8 this is Tatum. So this is the 5.6 and its name is Simon, and it has released on 8 December 2020. So actually why we actually already 5.5 is there, so what new we have upgraded to 5.6? That point first I want. So in 5.6 there is a issue in jQuery. Okay, I have not find out practically what was the issue, but it's I find out some documentation is written that there is a jQuery issue, and because of that the website was causing the issue, and many website was breaking, and many website means it was getting down. Okay, due to millions of website breaking, I accidentally updating with the beta version of WordPress. Okay, to overcome this, WordPress 5.6 came in market. Actually, this is, I have not seen anything in official documentation, but I did like Google and I got that point. Okay, so we need to find out. I will give more time and I will do more research and I will explain about what was the jQuery and what we have updated in 5.6. After that, the main features came in, like Neat and Sual. What all they have explained, everything is there with some extra additions. Like if I will go to page, so here we have added the image. Here also we have added the image, but in the image only we have options like cover image. Okay, if here cover. Okay, so we can use the image, and on top we can add also more functionality is there with the image and all those things. That is called great layout flexibility. So if we'll do many other things, so let me do something here. Are you getting? So we can change the width also from here. Align middle, right, enter. So something alignment is also there. Okay, before we are using custom div, so no need to do custom div. One side image, one side content we can write. Full width image we can do. So all our flexibility is there in 5.6, and more block pattern. So already it was in previous only, but some more functionality has added in that. So if I will read in some themes, pre-configured block patterns make setting up a standard page on your site page, finds power a pattern to streamline your workflow or share some of the power with your client and save yourself few clicks. Means with the help of like the example what I have given for this, so with one click we can like this, but if we write to the custom CSS, so at least more than 4 to 5 lines we need to write through, like display block, after that align, justify, center, alignment, align center, something like that. 3-4 code we need to write to make like the state CSS and all those things. After that, in same way in video caption, we have more options in video also while uploading. Even we can create this gallery also. Okay, so more options are there. We need to go one by one. Okay. After that, improvement for everyone actually. So already we know enable auto updates. These options came in WordPress 5.6. Okay. Accessibility statement means like block access with the help. With the block, we have more access for the blocks. Okay, many different type of blocks are there. That is one thing. And built-in patterns also same. So actually, so these are the things block, and what